If you are a coach or consultant in this time, one of the biggest challenge you face is managing clients and lead efficiently. From attracting potential clients to nurturing them, following up and closing the deals, the process can feel never ending if done manually. That's where GoHighLevel comes in. In this video, we are going to explore how coaches and consultants can use the GoHighLevel to automate their clients' funnel, save the time and focus on actually helping clients instead of getting stuck in repetitive tasks. Welcome back to Easy Access Tech, the channel where we simplify business tools so you can spend less time to stressing over tech but more time to growing your business. If that sounds good to you, hit the subscribe button and don't forget to check the link in the description. And if you use my link from the description, you will be able to use the free trial for 30 days instead of the 14 days. Now let's start with the client attracting stage. GoHighLevel allows you to create landing pages, form and funnels that capture lead automatically. For example, you can have a simple landing page where potential clients leave their email or book a free consultation. Once someone fill out the form, GoHighLevel immediately adds them to your CRM and triggers automated follow-up. So you don't have to manually enter every lead. This ensures no opportunity slips through the crack and starts building a professional impression from their very beginning. And next thing is the nurturing the leads. One of the biggest mistakes coaches and consultants make is not following up consistently. GoHighLevel lets you automate emails, SMS messages and even task reminder. So every lead is nurtured over the time. For instance, if someone download your free guide or attend a webinar, you can automatically send them a series of helpful emails and reminders them to guide them toward booking a call with you. This saves hours every week and makes your client funnel work for you even while you are busy coaching. Then comes the appointment scheduling and the reminders. GoHighLevel has built-in scheduling tools so leads can book a call directly without you going back and forth over the email. You can also automate the reminders via SMS or email, which drastically reduces no-shows. This feature alone a huge time saver for coaches who rely on one-on-one session. So GoHighLevel also shines in advanced automation. You can create the workflow where one action trigger multiple follow-up. For example, if a client completes a session, they can automatically receive a feedback from a thank you message and invitation to book the next session. This is not only improves the client experience but also keeps your business running smoothly without you manually handling every step. Finally, GoHighLevel allow you to scale up your business for the coaching and the consultant. So you can handle multiple clients, create the template for automation and even white label your system if you want to offer your service as a part of an agency. So in short, GoHighLevel helps coaches and consultants to automate their client funnel from the lead capture to follow-ups and also appointments and client management. It saves time, reduce the mistake and allow you to focus on coaching instead of the busy work. So for anyone serious about scaling their business in coaching or the consultant, it's a game changer. So if you want to try the GoHighLevel and see how it can automate your client, check the link in the description. And if you found this video helpful, make sure to like this video and subscribe this channel. I will see you in the next video.